Alright, hi Kipsters. Today is Monday, April 6th, 2020. And I'm going to just have this video real quick about how to do today's lessons and activities. So, today Kipsters will be able to make connections between two texts. And remember, that means we're making connections. We're finding similarities and differences between two texts, and I will go in depth with that more during our model, but I'm just going to show you how to go through the slides. So, first things first, remember we always watch our videos first. So remember, in order to watch the video, must push the present button. So this present button's here, and then to watch the video, you double click. So the double click will start the video. Alright, my friends? So, after that, watching the video. Next, you're going to do your do now, and your do now says to look at the pictures. And what I want you to do is I want you to look at picture 1 and picture 2. And I want you to tell me what is happening in picture 1 and what is happening in picture 2. Just explain to me, what do you see and what do you notice? And then I want you to tell me, how are these pictures similar? How are they connected? What makes them connect or look, or what ideas are being presented that are the same? Then we will do our introduction. I will be reading this to you. There will be a video. Make sure you double click so you can watch the video, and then write your answers here in the red section. You double click it and then you can type. All right, my friends? So, right? You're going to write your answer there on all 3 boxes. I've noticed a lot of friends are looking at the passages or everything, but they're not writing their answers. Please make sure you're doing that. Next, you're going to watch a video, and in this video, it's going to have me reading to you, and I'm going to ask you to pause during the video while I'm reading to you to write your gist here. So the first passage is called Declaration Signed Today. You're going to write the gist for that passage here. And then the next one is called Witnessing History, and you're going to write the gist here. Then you're going to watch me do a model using both passages and a Venn diagram. So all you have to do is watch the video. Then you're going to do your try it section. Now this is where it gets really fun. So you've already read it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this, double click it, and you're going to tell me how it's different on this side and how it's different as well on this one. So you're going to tell me how they are both different. Then you're going to answer your question using our check mark box. And remember, when we do compare and contrast, you want to make sure that you get 2 check marks in order for them to be true. So what you're going to do to show me you did your work is you're going to move your X's and your check marks to show me which one is the best answer. All right, my friends? And then I will do that right now. You will also have a little dot here. To move on top of your best answer. Okay? So that's what you're going to do for this particular assignment. Then you're going to move on to your guided practice. Same thing, you're going to read each passage, and then you're going to write the gist for each passage. So it says the crow in the picture, write the gist here. Then you're going to read Crows and Tools, and you're going to write the gist here. All right? Next, you're going to do the same thing, except I'm going to ask for a little bit more. I'm going to ask you to give me 2 ways the texts are different, and you're going to give me 2 ways that they are the same. And you're just going to double click and tell me how are they the same and different. Same thing that you're going to do. You're going to move your check marks and X's wherever you need to prove your best answer. And then I want you to justify your answer here with text evidence. I'm even going to write that right now. With text evidence. Remember, you just double click it. You can push delete, or you double click it and you can just start typing and it'll type right over. All right? So justify answer with text evidence. All right, my friends. I'll be looking out for all of these things. Remember, I will resubmit your PowerPoints if you do not actually fill in the work. So I'm looking for your work to be done here. Wherever it says write your answer, you need to be writing your answers there. on each point, all right? Remember, make sure that you are watching videos first on each slide. So slide 1, there you go. Then when you get to slide 2, there's no video, don't worry about it. Slide 3 will have a video, so watch the video first and then answer your questions. All right? Remember, if you have any questions, please leave a private comment below in your Google Classroom. Thanks, guys.